How to make 30-second reels video on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tag YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make 30-second reels video on your Instagram. So before starting videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get the more informative videos every day. So to make or to create 30-second reels, as you don't have the 30 seconds features, like you can make only for 15 seconds video, but now the Instagram has updated to the latest feature that is for 30-second reels video. So to make these videos, you have to simply make sure to update your Instagram from Play Store or App Store. It's same for both the Android user and iOS user. So after updating, just simply go to Instagram here, and then let me just show you what you have to do. Here you have to click on this profile icon on the bottom right, and now here you will find an option plus icon on the top left of your screen. Simply click here, and then here you can see the option reels. So simply tap here, and also if you don't get these features reels, then you have to simply go for like plus icon, sorry, you can just go for this camera icon and go for here like reels. So here to get the 30-second features, as you can see here guys, there is 15-second length. So if you want the 30-second, then what you need to do, let me just show you what you have to do. Just you have to tap on these features here. So just click here, and then it's now on 30 seconds. So let me just show you by recording one video for 30 seconds. So you can see here, 1 2 3 go. You can see here 30-second. So let me just go it. So in this way you can get the 30-second features on your Instagram reels. So I hope this video will absolutely help you out to make 30 seconds video on your Instagram reels. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.